Well, hello. I'm your friendly neighborhood wellness warrior, Auntie Angel. And I am here to share my own wellness journey with you and hopefully inspire you to love your life a little bit more, maybe give you some tools or inspirations, tricks, food for thought along the way. Some of the topics that I'm into lately include colors, snowboarding, autism, ADHD, autoimmunity, rock and roll, guitars, and a lot of other things: plants, gardening, permaculture, trees, bottle walls, recycled art, bones. Anyway, welcome, love. Let's see what we can do with all this, shall we?